Did you know you can hollow out your solid models using our shell command? Let's take a look. The shell command is a powerful tool to use when you're dealing with enclosures or housings or any components that are going to be used to cover other shapes where you need to hollow out the inside of them. Okay, so it's really easy to do. We're going to come under the solid menu and then we're going to go to shell. When we're in this dialog, the area that we want to focus on is the wall thickness, so we can set what the wall thickness is. And then as far as our selection process, we're going to pick the open area or like the bottom floor of the housing. So like in this example, we're going to pick this face here. We're going to go ahead and hit show preview. We'll see that the face that we select disappears. It's hollowed everything out based on our wall thickness here. If we're happy with our settings, we choose OK. And using our shell command is just that easy. To learn about tips and tricks using BobCAD, call us today or subscribe to our channel for next week's tip. See you then.